Guys, today's Isaac King videos, and today I'm going to show you guys how to fix before you continue to YouTube not responding problem. So as you can see, I'm having a problem where I can't agree or anything. So I am using a web browser on here, File Explorer, because the web browser doesn't work on here for some reason. But this error message does pop up on normal web browsers, and they do the same thing. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Work around this bug. First, you go to google.com to fix this error on YouTube. You just go to google.com, and then you type YouTube. And then you just click on a random video. So wait until you find a different video. Oh, it's like that. Different video. Different videos, yes. Or just click user YouTube. Users work too. As you can see, you now see a new thing that looks like a little box, and now you can finally scroll. Accept all. And there we have it. We've now got to YouTube, and we have worked around this problem here. And as you can see, if we take a look now, before you can go to YouTube is responding. As you can see, this one's responding, and this one is not. So I hope this fixed your problem. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel.